One misconfigured AWS setting costs capital one, 190 million in fines. Don't let your organization be next. Let's talk about overly permissive IAM roles. IAM, or Identity and Access Management, controls who can do what in your cloud environment. But giving admin everywhere access is a disaster waiting to happen. Here's how a simple policy mistake can expose everything. One user with admin rights can compromise your entire system. Actionable tip: always follow least privilege. Use IAM Access Analyzer to spot overly broad permissions before attackers do. Publicly accessible storage buckets can leak sensitive data if set to public. Capital One's breach happened because a misconfigured web application firewall exposed their S3 buckets. Actionable: use bucket policies, block public access, and enable login to protect your data. Unrestricted security groups open to the world. 000 are a hacker's dream. Here's a quick demo. Misconfigure a security group, then scan it with Mmap. Actionable: limit inbound rules, use VPC, and monitor with guard duty. No MFA means easy admin takeover. Here's AWS Azure login with and without MFA. Actionable: enforce MFA for all privileged accounts. Hard-coded credentials in code repos are a gold mine for attackers. Demo: search GitHub for AWS secret key, thousands of results. Actionable: use AWS Secrets Manager, rotate keys, and never commit secrets. Bonus mistakes: insufficient encryption, exposed APIs, no resource audits, and more. Just one of these mistakes can cost millions. Subscribe for more tutorials that could save your career. Comment below: which cloud mistake have you seen in the wild?